Hi guys, and welcome to Beauty Cakes, where we talk about all things beauty and curls. My name is Debbie, and for today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing kind of thing. Not really unboxing because I already opened it, but I'm going to be showing you guys what I ordered. I'm not wearing a lot of makeup today because my skin is just not, it's not working with me, especially in the heat, and especially with me going to the pool and being out in the sun. I'm getting like patches of discoloration right here and like under my eye. So it's not cute. So I just didn't want to put a bunch of makeup on. So we're just going very minimal today. I'm just wearing mascara and lip gloss. And so let's move on. So today I got a bunch of packages actually, but I'm gonna split it up into two different videos because that would be a lot to show in one. But I got this package. It's purses, by the way. Like I told you guys, I've been like obsessed with purses. So I've been doing a lot of shopping. So I found this brand from this other YouTuber, which I'll link her video below if I can find it. But the brand is called Ltl London, and they're a brand based out in London, I think. I don't know. I'll leave the website down below, but they basically take inspiration from luxury brands and kind of like make it their own. So they were having a sale, and it was like you buy one bag and then you get the other one free. So I couldn't resist and I had to buy it. The bag that I originally wanted, I waited too long and they no longer have it. So I was kind of sad. It was kind of like a dupe for like the Chanel classic flat bag. So I was kind of sad that they didn't have it anymore, but I still got two really cute bags. So the box is like all torn up. Okay, so the box just came like this, you know. So yeah, so it just came in a regular box. My shipping information and order was like on top, which I don't know how I feel about that. Now that I'm really like thinking about it, I don't know how I feel about that. But anyways, because I guess it said what was in here, which is not cool, but I have a Ring doorbell, so that didn't matter. And then so my first bag, the one that I paid the price for, came in this dust bag, and then you see the brand is right there. But it came in this dust bag, which is cute. And this is the first bag that came in there. It has the logo on the front and then their logo right here. This is just, I think Prada makes a bag like this, but I don't really know if this has any use. It's just like a little circle thing. It doesn't really do anything. But I thought this, I don't have any brown, no, I lied. I do have brown bags. I just don't have them in this color. So I thought this was cute. This I'm probably going to use for like when I go out for brunch and don't want to carry a bunch of stuff, like maybe like a lip balm, something like compact to check my makeup, and my phone. That's it. So it's so cute for that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and open it because I haven't gotten to do that yet. I mean, I looked inside, but I didn't take everything out. So it comes with this wrapping, like bubble paper inside. And then, like I said, it's a small little bag, but I really wanted it. And then I also saw that Kate Spade made one like this, and I think Coach makes one like this. A lot of brands make a little bag like this, but I've been seeing them around. I really wanted one, and I really like this really brown tan color, so I got it. And then, like I said, they were having a sale, and they were doing buy one, get one free, or get a free, what is this bag called? I think it's called the Bell, something like that. I don't know, but this bag was free, and I'm actually surprised that it was free because I like this one a lot more than that one. So this one came in like this kind of like, I don't know, it's, I guess maybe like a dust bag, but it doesn't have the logo on it. But yeah, it came in here. And then, I'm so excited because I've been dying to wear this bag, but I wanted to show it to you guys before I started wearing it and stuff. But it's this. It's white, so, and I know I already have a white bag, but there's no excuse. It's just so, it's so adorable. It's so cute. I guess this is kind of like, so this one I know was inspired by by a Prada bag. And then this one is inspired by the Gucci bag. And the quality of it, it feels like amazing, guys. The like structure of it. So my Kate Spade bag that I showed in my first video back, I love that bag so much, but as I've been using it more, I started noticing that the like structure of it is kind of, it doesn't have as much structure like this one does, and the bottom of the bag I started noticing some like little bit of wear and tear, so that's kind of disappointing. But I mean, it is what it is. I was using it a lot. I wasn't like really being careful with it. I throw it here, throw it there, grab it when I'm on the go, so whatever. But I think this one has a little bit more structure. I think my Kate Spade one is a little bit bigger. Actually, let me go get it so that I can compare the two. Okay, so I'm back. So this is my Kate Spade bag compared, this is my Kate Spade bag. I'm not using it right now, but this is it. And then this is the one that I ordered from Ltl London. Like I said, this one is supposed to be like a dupe for the Gucci, I forgot what the bag's name was called, but I'll link both of them down in the description box below. I'm sorry, I need to do more, become familiar with the names before I start recording, huh? But anyways, so this is the front of the bag, and it comes with a little chain strap, and it has the little turn lock. And then before I even open it, let me show you guys the bag. It even has a little heart on the back like the Gucci bag does. It's so cute. And then anyways, you do the turn lock. So same way as the Kate Spade one. This one does the turn lock thingy too. But so let me open it, and then this is the top flap, and then inside it comes stuffed. The inside, this is the rest of the chain. So I guess that's how the, and I like that it has this part and not just the chain, because this will probably be more comfortable on your shoulders when you're wearing it out. And then just for show, the Kate Spade one does do the same thing, and it has both, like if you want to carry it like this or if you want to do it like this. So that's a plus with this one. So yeah, so here's the inside, and then you have like a little pocket here, and then you also have a little zip pocket here. So I'll probably do like an update on how this bag wears, because I think I'm going to use this one as my everyday bag since I started noticing some wear and tear on this one. And it's not like a lot, but you guys are probably not even going to be able to see what I'm talking about if I try to show you. But it's like in the corner right there. It's starting to show some like wear and tear, so I need to be careful, because I really do like this bag a lot. Like I told you guys, it gives me like Chanel vibes, which is why I love it so much. And it's like, it's a good sized bag. I mean, this one's smaller compared to this one, you see? Yeah, it's like, it's so much smaller. I could fit so much more in this one. So I do love it a lot, but I think I'm going to start using this one as my everyday bag. And the bottom has a lot more structure too. So yeah, I believe this bag, if I'm being careful, was once, if I'm being, I don't even know what I'm being, but anyways, this bag was $116, and I think this one was $116 too, but it was, you get this one and then you get this one free. The only thing with Ltl London is make sure that you have your area where you live set to the United States if you're in the United States, because the shipping and stuff is a little bit different. And I think the shipping is actually $30, but I mean, you get a bag that's $116 for free, so I don't really think that that's too bad. And like I said, the quality of these bags is pretty good. Also, this isn't like leather, or like faux leather or whatever. I mean, this part kind of is, but this part isn't. I don't know if you hear that noise. I don't know, it kind of reminds me of like a reusable kind of material. So I wanted to mention that because when I first saw the pictures of this in my mind, I kind of thought that it was going to be like a leather bag, and it wasn't, which is fine because the one that I wanted from Kate Spade wasn't going to be leather either. So I just wanted to make sure to mention that because sometimes pictures can be deceiving. But yeah, so these are both the $116, but you get the bell. I think that's what it's called, the bell bag, for free. And they have different colors. They have pink, blue, purple, black, all with the gold hardware. So I'm really excited to like try out these bags. They're so cute. So yeah, so I will leave everything in the description box below. I will also continue to leave. I know I did a what's in my bag with this video, so if you want the link to this one, it's still available on the Kate Spade website. They actually have 3 sizes. Well, 2. Well, it's a line and they have 3 sizes. They have the tote, they have this one, and then they have the smaller one, which I guess would probably be about the same size as this one because this is the medium, and they have the small. And then I do have the tote, and that's actually my mom bag. I usually wear this one when I go out with the kids. This is my mom bag right now. So like, you look inside, I have like wipes. I have my vlogging kind of stick right there that I used the other day, a diaper. We can do a what's in my mommy bag another day, but yeah, so this is the other one. This one though, I feel like I don't know, like I feel like this one's more durable than this one. I don't know, but they're made from the same material, but I feel like this one, because it's bigger, has more structure, and it has feet at the bottom to protect it. So like even when I like put it down, it's still protected. It doesn't do the 1 strap like crossbody thing. It only has like the 2 straps. You see? Yeah. So yeah, guys, I really love this bag for like a mom bag. It has like 3 compartments. Anyways, I'll make a video on what I carry in my mom bag. But yeah, so I just wanted to let you guys know that there is 3 sizes. I have 2. The reason I don't have the small one, because I probably would have the small one. The only reason I don't have the small one is because when I went to the outlets to buy this one, they had a pink small one and they don't have it online. So I'm hopeful that I can go to the outlets again and convince my husband to buy me that bag. So if you guys want my husband to buy me the bag, leave me a comment below. Maybe he'll actually buy me the bag. So, but I also have this one, so I don't know. Maybe I could still convince him. Yeah. So anyways, guys, I was really excited to show you guys this and to start wearing them and stuff. I'm really excited to see what fits in them and everything and take them out to brunch and stuff. So yeah, so that's it for this video. I will be unboxing more bags in my next video. So until next time, bye guys.